Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hotjar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disable Hotjar on a WordPress website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to disable access to Hotjar on a WordPress website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hotjar account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hotjar account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disable Hotjar, there's a few steps you want to take. First off, you want to make sure you're working in the correct website. So you can see, if you click up here on the left, you're going to see a list of all of your websites. Go ahead and click on the website you want to disable it. Once you click there, you want to click on this button here, Dashboards. Okay, once you click in there, you're going to see the current session data just to make sure that it is connected. So once you verify that it is connected, you're going to go over here to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so once you're in the admin dashboard here on the left side, you're going to go ahead and hover over settings. Once you hover over settings, go ahead and click on Hotjar. Once you click on Hotjar, you should see the Hotjar ID. What you want to do is go ahead and delete that, and then click on Save Changes. Okay, once you do that, you can see that the Hotjar ID has been removed. And next, what I normally do is, since it's not going to be updating, it still has the code on there. So it is possible Hotjar is going to be gathering data. So I'll go over here to plugins, click on Installed Plugins, and then I'll just scroll down to Hotjar, and then I'll deactivate the plugin. And then after that, I'm going to scroll back down to Hotjar and then delete the plugin. Now ask me, are you sure you want to delete Hotjar? Go ahead and click on OK. Okay, now it lets me know Hotjar was successfully deleted. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to disable Hotjar on your WordPress website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.